Hello, this is my review of these two Great Western carriages. You can see, must be a slight difference in design. They're both Lima, but that's got like a blue L, but that's like the old British rail arrows. That's a slightly different colour. This, but that's like same because like that little section there, that little section there, and the blue seems to be same colour. So let's look at the packaging. Oh, look at that! Look at that! But the same photo. How 70s is that? Exactly the same photo. There's the mother, the father, and the two young lads. Got steam locomotive, electric, and one of them, also another electric with the thing on top. Can't remember what that's called. That looks like the bullet train. So going from old to very new, well, newish anyway. So again, we've got the L there. That's very faded. Again, we've got the different designs. Down here, this one says made in Italy, and it says warning: do not display in direct sunlight, which somebody had because it's faded. Let's show you the other end. This one here, according to this, is Western Railway. Maybe there's that sticker, so maybe it's a Great Western Railway brake. So this is a brake. You know, interesting. It says Rails of Sheffield on that little sticker there. 9th of the 6th 2014. So we've got some sort of date there. That was £24.50. 6th 14th, so maybe that 5, maybe that's a 5. So May 14th of May, perhaps, I don't know. Yeah, so say that's £24.50. Maybe that's a 5 or 6. So 14th, the 5th of the 6th month, maybe, perhaps. Again, there's the date there, in 2014. That writing there is the same. Again, it says made in Italy. So let's get them both out. As you can see, there's a corridor on this one. Let's get the other one out. Don't seem to be any paperwork for either of them, so you don't really need any paperwork. Now this seems to be brake carriage. Let's get them up close and personal. Now here are my two carriages. Now that's a brake carriage, and that's a normal carriage. None of them have sprung buffers. You can just about see that's a corridor on this side. If I turn it over, you can just about see the seating inside. This is number 5014. Notice both these carriages have got metal wheels on them, so that's a good thing. Bit of detail under maybe the little electricity box, maybe, not sure. It says Lima, Italy. I don't know how I can see that. It does say Lima, Italy there. There's a little cabin hole on the door, just see there. Seems to be steps going up onto the roof, so they can do maintenance on the roof. Got 4 doors on this side, one door at each end, and then 2 in the middle. Oh no, 3 doors. Yes, 4 doors. Yeah. Well, not exactly in the middle, but maybe a quarter way down or something. And this one, this is the brake carriage where they put the parcels in it. This one's got 5 doors on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, got metal wheels. Again, so it's got 10 doors altogether. And there's a bit of a corridor just there, as you can see. And again, it's got a little cabin hole on the end there, as you can see. A little bit of detail on the roof. Air vents. This is number 4476. And it even says, see, there's guard's van maybe, because it says a guard. You can't quite read that, but it does actually say guard there. In the middle door again it says guard. So let's give these two a test and see how they get on. Hello and welcome to Midland Monsell Model Railway, the Triple MR for short. Let's give them the roller test to see how far they roll down JJ's corner slope. So just past the station platform. This is the brake coach. I was about to say, well, it went a little bit further, but as you can see, I just moved that one. See, that was there, but I moved it across so we can see reference where it stopped. So it did roll about to there, but it didn't roll backwards. So it's still a little bit further forward, but not that far forward. My carriages are at the main station there, with the loco hiding behind the rock and tree there. So let's get it coupled up. Hopefully that coupled up nicely. Going over the suspension bridge. And let's stop at the station. Well, a few problems there, but you get the idea. Nice two little carriages. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like my little video about these two Great Western carriages, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.